Hello, in this video we'll be checking out the performance of a charger that comes with your Xiaomi Poco F4. So in order to do this, let's plug in this charger into this phone and then to this Gosun smart socket. That way it will send the performance to this phone and you'll be able to see it right here. Now let's actually try that. Here we'll need to wait for about 30 seconds till all of the statistics are stable. So the 30 seconds just passed and we can see the statistics right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.